Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Benin. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex brokers offering Islamic Forex trading accounts in Benin enable Muslim clients to trade using a swap-free account. The Forex market is the biggest liquid financial market in the world, with wide-ranging popularity in a multitude of countries, including Benin. Traders who are searching for some of the best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Benin can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Benin. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and Social Trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. At number 4 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex, ECN, and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginners' guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis, and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. Coming in at number 3, we have Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, direct market access, and swap-free accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Forex.com. At number 2 on our list is HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, with lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on Micro, Premium, Zero Spread, and HF Copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Benin, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a Shares account, Demo accounts, and Swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. And those are some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Benin on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.